TM Series water meters are the ultimate meter systems for your water measurement and indication needs. Applications include submetering, OEM, and skid system installations. TM Series water meters are available in 7 sizes, from 1/2 to 4 inch, covering flow ranges from 1 to 800 GPM. All meters indicate rate of flow, total flow, and feature a resettable total with standard units of measure in gallons and liters. Additionally, 3 and 4 inch models indicate in cubic feet and cubic meters. The standard male spigot offers extreme flexibility and allows the user to choose the desired fittings. Pre-installed fittings are also available with female NPT offered on all models and 150-pound flanges on 3 and 4 inch sizes. TM Series water meters feature a rugged design and are constructed of scheduled 80 PVC. The 6-digit LCD display has a 5-year battery life and can be custom configured by enabling or disabling an array of functions and units of measure.